Here's a pair of Beats Solo 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to your Samsung Smart TV. First thing is you got to go to the settings on your Samsung TV. So what you can do is just tap on your home button. And you should get like a row of apps down here. What you want to do is start moving to the left where the three horizontal lines are right there. So just go left, just keep moving all the way over. And now it turns into a gear icon. So go all the way there to that gear icon, the settings icon right there. We're going to select that. And now we want to go down one to sound right there. You can select OK on the remote. And now sound output is currently coming out of my TV speaker. We want it to come out of our headphones. So sound output, let's select on that. And now we want to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. Select OK on the remote. Now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to put this in a pairing mode, okay? So let's see here. I got a power button right here, and the LED light is here. We'll know it's in pairing mode when the light is blinking white, 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 okay? I get nothing here. Let me just press and hold this button for 3 seconds. Okay. I get nothing here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold this power button until it starts blinking white, okay? Power button right here, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Going to hold, wait till it starts blinking white, wait till it starts blinking, wait, oh, there we go. Now it's blinking white, white, white. Now let's go back on here and you can see the Beats Solo Pro is right there. So I'm going to go down, highlight it, it says needs pairing. Go ahead and select that, pair and connect. Click on OK on the remote. And let's wait. Okay, Beats Solo 4 is connected. Okay, that you can see that it's connected. It says Beats Solo 4 is connected right there. And there you go. Now, if you had issues, I just disconnected these and they're asking me to connect back. But anyway, if you had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these as well. Okay, look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these. All right.